Hey guys, Stormy here and welcome to this little video where we're going to be unboxing some Apex packs here. 40 of them in total and it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll get some good loot. Let's see. Alright, off to a good start here. Cool. So legendary in the very first pack. That's really sweet. Bloodhound skin. I like this one, the Royal Guard. There's a white version of this. I'm not sure if it was an exclusive from the store. That might be even cooler than this one, but this is really cool. Awesome. Let's keep going. Okay, so a rare skin for the 301. That's okay. Right, an epic. That's kind of cool. I use the Peacekeeper a lot, so that's nice. Alright, another legendary already. Oh, that's awesome. That one is really sweet. I love this one. I'm gonna be using the I'm gonna have to start using the 301 even more. Alright. I'm going over these a little bit fast, so if there's nothing too interesting, I might just skip it. This one's okay. I have a cooler green one, I think the one called Outback. I'll just leave it there. Alright. Banner pose. With some movement on it, that's cool.
I've seen it all.
Let's equip this, I don't have any. Crafting materials.
Hey, thank you for this. I feel much better about myself now.
Nothing too interesting here. Let's keep going. Alright, another legendary. Ah. That's awesome. That one's really cool. Got this Japanese kind of thing, arcade style theme going here. That's really cool. I play Lifeline the most, so that's really awesome. Epic skin for the Spitfire. Another one of my favorite weapons. Let's equip that. It's nice. Alright, I feel like either I'm really lucky right now or the rates are pretty high. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Definitely my favorite Wraith skin. It's so cool. I haven't even unlocked Mirage yet. That's kind of a fun one. Never used the P2020 though, but let's keep going.
Did you like my moves? My grapple is...
Let me just equip that because I've got nothing. This one too. Alright. Okay, here we go. Mirage banner pose. Where he summons a raven that kicks his ass or something. Let's just equip that. It's okay.
Now this is very fun when you win.
I like this one better. Let's equip the one. That's kind of fun. Let's keep going. 25 more packs. We're not even halfway yet.
I will shed blood and honor the Allfather.
Alright.
You can't dodge heavy artillery. You know that, right?
That's okay. I didn't have any of those, so. Banner frame. Just keep going. Nothing too interesting here. Come on, let's get some good stuff. Maybe I was just a little lucky to begin with. I already have a really cool one of those equipped, so let's just skip that. Okay, here we go. One epic. One epic. A Mastiff, epic Mastiff skin. Let's equip it. That's cool. You do seem to come across the Mastiff fairly often, I think. Another epic, alright. Alright. An epic Mirage skin. Got this little fiery effect going. Alright, that's cool. Nah, pass. Is it 3 rares? 3 rares? Yeah. This is kind of funny also. But again, it's the P2020. Never really use it. Let's keep going. Alright, awesome. Let's see. Legendary banner for Caustic. It's alright. Don't have him unlocked though. And I don't play him really. I don't think I would play him because of his huge model size, but I like this one. Let's equip that.
Thanks for pushing me, my brother. Thanks for...
Again, Gibraltar, another character that's really... It's just not a good choice, you know, because his hitbox is so huge. I think the Wildlands one I have equipped is cooler.
I wish all of you could fight tomorrow too, but you'll be dead.
First intro for Pathfinder, that's okay. Okay, epic. Let's go. Let's go. Wasn't that cool? So she drops down, looks up. Meh. Better than what I got, I guess.
Small up yourself. AJ Shed's coming true.
That's awesome. Can't compete with the legendary skin we just got. Keep going. 13 more packs. This one's kind of fun. Sort of flashy. For the Kraber.
I thank you.
Epic Caustic skin. Also the one with fiery effect, I guess. I like this one. I like these crazy color ones. Sort of makes you stand out, right?
Get ready for a world of hurt.
Let's get that one intro clip there. Bangalore. Come on. We need some more epics and legendaries here. Let's keep going. I'm not sure you want to. I'm not sure you want to wear this skin. I mean, you could probably see this guy from half a mile away with these colors, but
No one had your back, huh? I hate.
let's just equip it anyway, yeah. 9 more packs. Come on. Aw. Nothing too interesting here, I guess. Ah, this one's cool. I'm gonna get that one.
The kill. The rep.
Pass. Let's see if we can get at least one more legendary. That'd be awesome. That would be awesome. Just keep going. Getting a little bit of crafting materials here. I don't have that many yet though, so yeah. I'll have to see. Well, a longbow. Because I'm running a factory issue, I'll equip it. Nah. Let's keep going. 5 more packs, come on. Okay. I like the one I have equipped. I have the purple one equipped. I think that's kind of cool. Let's see if we can get lucky. Come on. Come on. 3 more. Yes. Oh, a legendary and an epic. Oh, legendary crafting materials. That's awesome. That's 600. Well, I don't know, which is better, you know, getting an actual legendary or getting 600 crafting materials. I think they're 1200 typically, right? For an epic, no, sorry, a legendary skin for something. Be it a character model or a weapon. But I guess this allows you to choose yourself, right? So, there's another longbow. This one's cool, sort of flashy. Already have a legendary skin for her. Let's see. That was a nice pack though.
This was the outcome this time. It's just the way it is.
This is actually the first R99 skin that I roll. And I do run with the R99 quite a bit. So let's just equip it. Oh, well, okay. I guess there's no more. But I thought this was pretty good though. I'm gonna have to put up a counter on this video and just to keep track of how many legendaries we got. Let's just hop out here and check it out. So we did get a legendary Bloodhound skin, which is really cool. Yeah. What else? What else? Nothing here. No finishers, right? Did we get any finishers? I haven't rolled a single one of those, I think. So this was not from this pack, but this one. I love this one. This is really cool. That's awesome. Yeah. Pathfinder. We rolled this. Kind of fun skin. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I guess it's flashy though. Yeah. And this one. Oh, this one is cool. I like these. I don't know. It's debatable which one is more awesome. This one or the white one that I rolled. But I think this has more of the institutionalized look about it, right? I think that's really awesome. She looks like a, you know, complete mental case. So I think that's awesome. Bangalore. Meh. Nothing much. Caustic, we did get a epic skin and a legendary banner. But I haven't even unlocked Caustic, so meh. I don't know. An epic skin here also. Yeah. Not bad. And this one is awesome. The 301. I haven't played around with the 301 too much, but I think it's pretty decent. I like the skin anyway. That was it, right? A few epic skins also. Awesome. Overall, I think I'm pretty satisfied. There's an epic Peacekeeper here, an epic Mastiff. These actually the same color, aren't they? Matching. Cool. Alright. There you have it, guys. Those were the 40 packs. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. There's going to be tons more content coming. Thank you. Bye-bye.